welcome to my channel. This is Life After 50 with Manx and my name's Amanda. So today I'm going to be talking about a jig to strip wire. We decided to strip a lot of wire out of the house because basically it needed rewiring. There was some, I think we had 3 circuits on one switch and it tended to blow. If we put the landing light on the top floor, it blew the middle floor landing light, so we had to just get it all redone. So yeah, we've got a jig here, so let me just switch the camera around. So basically all we've done with the jig is we've got 2 picture hooks, that's all these are. We've got a standing knife blade, and as you can see we've got a hole that's been drilled through. Sorry, it went out of focus then. And what that does is, if I just pop that down just for a second, so when the wire goes through this bit here, it starts to strip, so it's fed through here. That little channel there allows it to be pulled through, and it's just small enough to start stripping the wire. And you have to get the angle right, don't get me wrong, you've got to get the angle right. Then once you have, it's getting the tension at the other side, and hey presto. So basic jig, bit of wood, 2 picture hooks screwed down, and we've got the little channel there which we've taken out with a saw, and then we've just got a blade from a standing knife. Now we've managed to secure it with some screws, that's all it is. So if we have a look, just a bit of wood, and we put it on the horse upstairs. So we just bring those down, and yeah, we get it fixed up, and a presto. So hope you get something out of the video today. So we've got wire, and in the wire you can see we've got copper. So all I do is use these to cut into the plastic, and I then start taking out the copper wire, and eventually we end up with plenty of copper wire. I just roll into balls, and then we take it and get it weighed and get money for it.